I have just been a part of Yuganga Healing's 10-day Yoga Nidra healing retreat, and it has been an absolute wonderful experience to be a part of. The teachers are so kind, helpful and supportive, patient, and they have great knowledge. I have felt very supported and safe the whole time. I'm traveling with a handicap, but that was not an issue. They were very helpful, and I would do it again anytime, and I recommend Yuganga Healing to anyone who has the slightest interest in yoga. I'll be back for sure at the first for the 2 online courses this spring and summer.